Welcome back to the Friendly Fox. Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest projects, and if you are someone who likes to shop at a certain place where they make a lot of different candles and hand soaps, you're probably going to love this DIY. So let's get started. This is how to make foaming hand soap at home. Whether you want to DIY foaming hand soap because you don't like the environmental aspect of repurchasing plastic containers, or because you want to customize your own fragrances, there are tons of different reasons, but it is so easy that you're not going to believe that you kept buying more hand soap in more containers over and over again. The first thing you're going to need is a container with a foaming pump. This is where the magic happens. So this is essential. You can order it on Amazon. I'll link it in our bio, or you can repurpose one that you already have. The next thing you're going to need is Castile soap. It's the only kind of soap that produces this luxurious, foamy, rich lather. After that, you're going to need a fragrance oil or an essential oil. Either one, it's up to you. Lots of people prefer essential oils. Whatever you do is totally fine. But this might be the most fun part because you get to pick your fragrance. Having had a candle business, I have a myriad of different fragrances. So today we're going to use Summer in Provence, which is a blend of English and French lavender. And finally, you're going to need just plain water. You can use distilled water, you can use filtered water, or you can use tap water, whatever floats your boat. And the last thing is not essential, but it definitely helps. These are pipettes that allow you to pull the fragrance out of the bottle. Let's make some foaming hand soap. I went ahead and grabbed a scale to be super accurate, and here is the recipe. You're going to do whatever your vessel size is. 1/4 of it is going to be the Castile soap plus 1 ml or 20 drops of your fragrance or essential oil, and then the rest is going to be water. For this container, in a store, if you purchased it, you're probably going to be right around the 8-ounce mark. The bottle itself is actually closer to 10, but we're going to go with 8 ounces so that I can measure it out perfectly, and then it'll end up looking just like as if I had purchased it in a store. So the first thing I'm going to do is place the bottle on my scale, empty so that I have it at 0. I know that I want to do 8 ounces, so I'm going to go ahead and put 2 ounces of Castile soap in. Next, I'm going to add my fragrance. So 20 drops is about 1 ml. My measurement here is 3 ml, so I'm going to go up to this first line here. Last, I'm going to fill it up the rest of the way with water. I will link everything on our Amazon store so that you can go and grab it, and this bottle will supply you with so much soap that you will not have to buy soap again for probably a year, unless you live in a house with 20 other people. Now we just give it a little shake, get everything all mixed around, and there you have it. Homemade DIY foaming hand soap, super easy, saves you lots of money, and you get to customize the fragrance to anything you want. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.